Hello, this is Marcel from the channel Marcel 5e, and today we're going to talk about Bird's Array Notation Explained 2. This is the second version. This is going to be a lot, so this video is going to be pretty long. Anyways, let's start with simple notation. 10 bracket 10 bracket 10 equals 10 10 10 5. Tetradacal equals 10 10 10 10. To 10 10 10 100,000 equals 10 10 10 bracket 10 5 bracket. Next, tip 3 is 10 10 10 bracket 10 bracket 10 bracket 10 10 bracket 10 bracket 10 bracket equals 10 comma 4 comma 1 comma 1 comma 2. This next number is true goal, which is 10 10 10 100. Next is triangle with 10 10 1 1 2. Quadruple with 10 10 10 10 100. Quintuple with 10 10 10 10 10 100. Dimensional arrays. 10 10 10 10 10 equals 10 5 2 2. 10 5 bracket 2 2. Google was 10 100 bracket 2 2. Tip 5 is 10 10 10 10 10 bracket 2 2 equals 10 5 bracket 2 3. And gold troll equals 10 100 bracket 2 3. Tip 6 10 10 bracket 2 10 10 10 10 10 equals 10 5 bracket 2 2 bracket 2 2. Next, 10 10 10 10 10 bracket 2 2 bracket 2 bracket 2 equals 10 5 bracket 2 3 bracket 2 2. Tip 8 is 10 comma 10 bracket 2 2 bracket 2 2 equals 10 3 bracket 3 bracket 2. Number 8 is 10 comma 100 bracket 3 2 is Goxel. Tip 9 is 10 10 2 10 2 10 3 2 equals 10 3 3 3. Tip 10 is 10 10 3 2 to 10 3 1 2 2. And 10 1 0 1 1 2 2 is either Gongulus or Godgothor. Tip 11 10 10 10 1 comma 2 2 is the equivalent of 10 10 1 comma 2 3. Tip 12 10 10 1 comma 2 2 1 comma 2 2 equals 10 3 2 comma 2 2. Tip 13 is 10 comma 10 3 10 comma 3 10 3 comma 2 2 equals 10 comma 3 1 comma 3 2. Tip 14 10 comma 10 1 comma 5 2 equals 10 comma 5 1 comma 1 comma 2 2. Bongulus is 10 comma 100 1 comma 2 1 comma 1 comma 2 2. Nested arrays. 10 comma 10 1 1 1 1 1 2 2 equals tip 15, which is 10 comma 5 1 2 2 2, which are in the nested arrays. Number 11 is duplexes, which is 10 comma 100 1 2 2 2. Next we go all the way up here. Tip 16 is 10 10 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 2 2 1 bracket 2 bracket 2 bracket 2 bracket 2. 10 comma 4 1 2 2 3. 10 10 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 equals 10 3 2 2 2 2. 10 10 5 2 2 2 equals 10 5 1 2 3 2. Tip 19 is 10 1 2 5 2 equals 10 comma 5 1 2 1 comma 2 2. Tip 20. 10, 10, 1, bracket 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. 2 equals 10, 5, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Tip 21. 10, 10, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 equals 10, 10, 1, 3, 2, 2. Tip 22. Number 12. 10, 100, 1, 1, comma 2, 2, 2 equals still go topple equals 10, 10, 1, 100, 2, 2. Tip 23. Number 13. 10, 100, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2 equals gold pencil, which is 10, 10, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and so on, 2, 2, 2. Slash arrays, we're finally here. 10, 10, 10, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 equals tip 24, which is 10, 4, 1, slash 2, 2. Number 14 is tethragons, which is equal to 10, 51, 1 slash 2, 2, and it's the last named number of this video. So we'll never see our number 15. However, we'll see a bunch of unnamed numbers. And there's even more on the back page. Anyways, tip 25. 10, 10, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1 slash 2, 2 equals 10, 3, 1 slash 2, 3. Tip 26 is 10, 10, 1 slash 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 equals 10, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. Tip 27. 10, 4, 1, 1, 2 equals 10, 10, 1, 1 slash 1 slash 1 slash 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Dash arrays. Tip 28. 10, 10, 1 slash 1 slash 2, 2 equals 10, 3, 1, 1, 2, dash 2, 2, 2. Why this instead of 1 dash 2, I actually don't know. I'm not familiar with things like this. Everything else might be wrong. Tip 29. I'm making a video, Bobby. You can't make noise. Tip 29 is 10, 1 dash 1 dash 2, 2, 1 dash 2 dash 2, 2, 2 equals 10, 3, 1, 2 dash 2, 2, 3. That's a lot of twos. Anyways, my brother was just calling because he didn't know I was making a video. Anyways, tip 30. 10, 10, 5, 2, 2, 2, 2 equals 10, 5, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2. Tip 31. 10, 10, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2 equals 10, 3, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Tip 32 equals 10, 10, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. And 10, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Tip 33. 10, 10, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 equals 10, 4, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. Flip. We're going to flip the page. It'll take a second, please. Subscript slash arrays. Tip 34. 10, 10, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2 equals 10, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Tip 35 is 10, 10, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 equals 10, 3, 1, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2. Tip 36. 10, 10, 1, 1, 5, 2, 2, 2 equals 10, 5, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Tip 37. 10, 10, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2 equals 10, 5, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Tip 38. 10, 10, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 equals 10, 10, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Tip 39. 10, 10, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2 equals 10, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Tip 40. 10, 10, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2 equals 10, 10, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Tip 41 is 10, 10, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 equals 10, 4, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Tip 42. 10, 10, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 equals the end of band. We've made it full circle. And as always, thanks for watching.